Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying firmware v2, 1 or newer and a battery above 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, install the head unit into its mount and torque the 4 screws to 5 Nm so it stays stable. This protects connectors. Next, power on the Sonic Sway Sparking 0 and navigate to the main menu. Make sure to select Spark Mode. This initializes the core oscillation algorithm. Briefly monitor the status LED. Green means ready. Amber means calibration required. You now run auto-calibrate and allow the unit 60 to 90 seconds so sensors can stabilize. This reduces drift. Once calibration completes, adjust the output frequency. Aim between 1, 2 and 2. 8 kHz depending on surface rigidity, because frequency affects coupling efficiency. After that, set intensity as a percentage and choose pulse width across 3 increments. Lower width reduces heat while higher increases effect. Make small changes, observe response, and iterate until performance matches expectations. You start active operation using 5-minute cycles to prevent overheating and watch temperature readouts closely. Once the cycle completes, stop the output, let the unit cool for 2 minutes to protect components, and then power off. If you need to adjust during a session, pause and change the frequency or intensity, then resume. If an error code appears or performance is inconsistent, reboot the device and rerun auto-calibrate. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sensor or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.